Hello guys, welcome to cselearner YouTube channel. So last video we learned about the button component. So how to use Angular material button component we have seen in the last video. So if you wanted you can see it in my description also. So next we will learn about the next component uh, called cards. Okay, so those who are familiar with this, so you should be very clear about it. So in this material.angular.io you can see, so last time we used this button component and we used this primary button, right? I hope you tried it. So today we will try to learn how to use this card component. So in most of the websites we might have come across, you might have used this card component. So let me give a quick overview on the example section. So here they are given a basic card example. So card with actions alignment options. So here you have some card. Okay, this is one card and this is another card. So in this card they are given some action button. Say for example, like and share button, right? Two buttons they have given. Okay, and if I have this one card with multiple sections, so this is a card and I have multiple section, like I have an image avatar here and title of the card, subtitle of the card, and one image for that card. Okay, and a text, okay, a paragraph, a text or content of the card. Okay, this is called mat content. And I have again two buttons which perform some particular functionality. Okay, like and share button. Okay, so for example, let me take the same example. Let me view the code and copy it as well. Okay, copy the HTML, and I have already opened here and my it is running in port 4200. Okay, localhost 4200, right? So you can see here. Okay, last time we saw this button component, and if you want to add any functionality to this button component, you can give any on click event, okay, function, or you can have some route also, right? Now let's just quickly copy and paste it in our HTML file. Okay. Now, as I said earlier, before using a component, we have to import the API also. Okay. Under the API section, we have to copy and paste it in this app.module.ts file. Yes. Lastly, we did for the button component, right? Similarly, we have to do it for this also. And also in the imports array, okay, in the imports array, you have to add this one mat card module. Okay, okay, let me save it, and here you can see the error has been gone, and I can save this also if I want. Okay, and let me see it in the browser. Yes, but I'm getting a bigger image. Okay, for that only I have to apply the CSS. So here this we call, this we copied TypeScript. It has nothing code. Okay, inside the export class, inside this thing we don't have any other thing, so we don't need to copy anything from our TypeScript file, but the CSS file we have to copy. So somewhere we might have used this example card and example header image, right? You can see it here, example card, example image. Okay, for that class we are going to declare it. Okay, let us quickly declare. So in this app.com.cs, let me paste it quickly, let me save it, and now see, it has been aligned successfully. So this is how you have to use a card component in your Angular material. Okay, and you can have n number of cards. So this is one card. Inside this I'm having like this the content. Okay, let's quickly see what are the contents. As I said, so the contents you can see here is in app.component.html. So this is the mat card. Okay, so inside this mat card also we are having the uh, mat card title and mat card header, right? So we can see it here inside div they are given the class, okay, which have the mat card avatar also, right? So that is how we have to do this mat card avatar. Okay, that is the image which we are getting here, this dog small image which we are getting here, and other things what we have. So we have the mat card title and mat card subtitle. Okay, the dog name Shibu Inu and dog breed. So we have it here, and next we have the image of the dog, right? Inside image tag we have it by saying mat card image, and we have the other attributes like the src source and alt. Okay, all those are the attributes of this mat card image. And then we have the mat card content, okay, which is wrapped inside the p tag, okay, paragraph tag. We can see the content, right? This whole paragraph is kept like this. And then we have the mat card action, okay, the two buttons, that is mat button, okay, like and share button. So this is how we have to do this. So I hope this is understood by you. So please like, share and subscribe to CSE Learner YouTube channel. Thank you.